Welcome to the IELTS on Computer Reading Test Familiarization video. The reading test features a split-screen interface, with the reading passage displayed on the left and the questions on the right. Both sections can be scrolled independently for easy navigation. If needed, you can scroll horizontally to view the full width of the passage or questions, and scroll vertically to read all the content. You can move directly to any section or question by clicking on the question number. Alternatively, use the back and next arrows to navigate through the questions in sequence. To answer a question, simply click on your chosen option. The selected answer will turn blue. Once a question has been answered, its question number will be highlighted in green, making it easy to identify completed questions. Unanswered questions will remain unchanged, helping you quickly locate any questions that still require an answer.